white boy. Fuck, I ain't shit.
Okay, settle down. Give a man a chance. All right, Bunny Rabbit's up next. All right, B Rabbit, you got the mic. It's on you. You know what to do. DJ, spin that shit.
What up, you got something? You hear something? You can't fuck with us. Yeah. Let's see what you got. Come on, Rabbit! Come on, Rabbit! Get him! You don't want it. Nah.
Ward, I think you were a little hard on the beaver. So was Eddie Haskell, Wally, and Miss Cleaver. This guy keeps screaming. He's paranoid. Quick, someone get his ass another steroid. Blah, 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 blah. I ain't hear a word you said. Hibbity hoop blah. Is that a tank top or a new bra? Look, Snoop Dogg has got a fucking boob job. Didn't you listen to the last round, meathead? Pay attention, you're saying the same shit that he said.
I'ma fuck you up.
Matter of fact, dog, here's a pencil. Go home, write some shit, make it suspenseful, and don't come back until something dope hits you. Fuck it, you can take the mic home with you. Looking like a cyclone hit you. Tank top screaming lotto, I don't fit you. You see how far them white jokes get you? Boys like, how Vanilla Ice gon' dish you? My motto, fuck lotto. I'll get the 7 digits from your mother for $1 tomorrow.
It's the championship round, and yes, believe it's real. It's time. We got Papa Doc, and we got B Rabbit. Now, I don't even have to stress how important this is. It's the championship. We at this motherfucker. This what we came to see. You know what I'm saying? That's why the fuck we in the D. We represent. We at the shelter, goddammit. It's real. I hope y'all ready. Each of these cats, they get $1.5 million apiece. I don't know what's gonna happen. B Rabbit, you know what to do? DJ, kick that shit.
Now everybody from the 313, put your motherfucking hands up and follow me. Everybody from the 313, put your motherfucking hands up. Look, look. Now while he stands tough, notice that this man did not have his hands up. This free world's got you gassed up. Now who's afraid of the big bad wolf? 1, 2, 3 into the 4. 1 pop, 2 pop, 3 pop, 4. 4 pop, 3 pop, 2 pop, 1. Your pop, he's pop, no pops, none. This guy ain't no motherfucking MC. I know everything he's about to say against me. I am white, I am a fucking bum. I do live in a trailer with my mom. My boy Future is an Uncle Tom. I do got a dumb friend named Cheddar Bob who shoots himself in his leg with his own gun. I did get jumped by all 6 of you chumps. And Wink did fuck my girl. I'm still standing here screaming fuck the free world. Well, never try to judge me, dude. You don't know what the fuck I've been through. But I know something about you. You went to Cranbrook, that's a private school. What's the matter, dog? You embarrassed? This guy's a gangster? His real name's Clarence. And Clarence lives at home with both parents. And Clarence's parents have a real good marriage. This guy don't want to battle. He's shook, cause ain't no such things as halfway crooks. He's scared to death, he's scared to look at his fucking yearbook. Fuck Cranbrook. Fuck a beat, I go a cappella. Fuck a Papa Doc, fuck a clock, fuck a trailer, fuck everybody. Fuck y'all if you doubt me. I'm a piece of fucking white trash, I say it proudly. And fuck this battle, I don't want to win, I'm outie. Here, tell these people something they don't know about me.
Yo. champion. We got a new champion. Beat him. Beat him. Beat him right there.
Let's go, man.